You're talking to someone, everything is fine, and suddenly, a big silence. Your brain just logs out. 1 second ago, you had thoughts, ideas, personality, and now it's just a spinning loading screen in your head. You stand there like, yeah, nodding like an NPC. But inside your head, say something, bro, please. And your brain goes, nope. Now it gets weird. Eye contact too long? Fake smile? Both of you just standing there. This is not a talk anymore. This is a Wi-Fi problem. And the problem? You're trying to sound smart. You're thinking, this should be perfect. Bro, relax. Nobody cares. This is not a speech. Here's the fix. Stop trying to impress. Just react. Say simple things. For example, wait, really? That's funny. Tell me more. Boom, it works. People who never run out of things to say, not smarter. They just talk, even if it's random. So next time, don't think too much. Just speak. Simple lines keep it going. Perfect lines never come. And yeah, you sound dumb? Good, you're human.